Later this morning, the heads of America's biggest banks will face questions from the House Financial Services Committee. Leslie Picker joins us right now with what we can expect. And Leslie, I would guess a lot of pretty tough questions.
Oh, I would suspect a lot of tough questions as well, Becky. The witnesses today will include CEOs from the 7 largest consumer-facing banks. Those include J.P. Morgan's Jamie Dimon, Bank of America's Brian Moynihan, Citigroup's Jane Fraser, and Wells Fargo's Charlie Scharf, among those that will be grilled by Congress on a whole host of issues. The committee convened this group to discuss consumer-related topics, things like overdraft fees, emerging technologies like crypto and Zelle, and privacy protection. But it's likely during the Q&A, lawmakers will venture into other areas, including the increasingly polarized world of ESG, the state of the economy, and the regulatory environment for financials. In prepared testimonies, many of the CEOs, including Dimon and Scharf, plan to tout how the banking system has kept the economy afloat during the pandemic by processing PPP loans. Moynihan and Fraser are among those that plan to share how they've reduced or eliminated overdraft fees. Scharf also plans to talk briefly about how Wells Fargo is responding to a variety of regulatory actions in his remarks, saying the firm has, quote, made progress in strengthening their risk and control infrastructure, while noting that they still have several years of work to do. And Dimon's remarks include a mention of the U.S. economy, which he calls a tale of two cities, with a strong consumer, vibrant jobs market, and healthy business environment, while noting headwinds like inflation, supply chain issues, and the Fed's hawkish policy. He will say that even the brightest economists are divided as to whether these forces will evolve into a, quote, major economic storm or something much less severe. So kind of echoing what we've heard from him before, but perhaps not on Capitol Hill. Becky?